Hello students, again in today's video I'll be solving a problem how to find a Fourier expansion of the function. Look at the function f of x is equal to x over the interval 0 to pi and f of x is 2 pi minus x over the interval pi 2 pi. So in this problem you can observe the interval 0 comma 2 pi is divided into two parts as 0 to pi and pi to 2 pi. Okay, so the given interval is taken as 0 comma 2 pi. So we are finding out what is the Fourier expansion of f of x over the interval 0 comma 2 pi. Okay, so if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it to have more and more videos on different topics of engineering. It will be very useful for you. So the Fourier expansion over the interval 0 comma 2 pi is f of x is equal to a naught divided by 2 summation a n cos n x summation b n sin n x, where n is taking the value 1 to infinity. Let me take this as equation 1. So to find the Fourier expansion of the given problem, what we have to do? We have to find the values of a naught, a n and b n. For that, first I have to check whether the given function f of x is an even function or odd function or neither even nor odd. Okay. So to check this, let me take x, the function x as capital F of x, this as capital F of x, and 2 pi minus x as capital G of x. Okay. So since the interval is 0 comma 2 pi, what I will do? I will change x to 2 pi minus x. Here I will change, I will replace x by 2 pi minus x. So what I will get? F of 2 pi minus x is equal to 2 pi minus x. Okay. So f of 2 pi minus x is equal to, what is 2 pi minus x here? I have taken it as g of x, right? So I will replace it by g of x. So you got f of 2 pi minus x is equal to g of x. Hence the given function small f of x is said to be an even function. If the function is even, bn will be, the value of bn will be taken as 0 directly, as you know this concept since I have explained this concept in the previous videos already. Okay. So since bn is 0, I have to find out only a naught and an. What is a naught then? A naught is 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x dx. So 2 by pi integral 0 to pi. What you can choose f of x as here? You are integrating between the limit 0 to pi. Okay. So over 0 to pi, value of f of x, small f of x, is only x. So you have to choose the f of x value as x into dx. Now I will integrate this. 2 by pi, integration of x is x square by 2, limits 0 to pi. Okay. So 2 by pi into, substitute the limit, upper limit is pi, so pi square by 2, lower limit x is equal to 0. Okay, if you put it will be 0. So 2 and 2 you can cancel, pi and pi goes off. So you will be left with a naught value as pi. So we got a naught as pi, the first Fourier coefficient a naught value we got. Now we have to find out what is an. Anyway we know bn is equal to 0. Now to find out what is the value of an, okay, so what we will do, use the formula. An is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx. So 2 by pi integral 0 to pi, f of x value we know already, it is x. Okay, so x cos nx into dx. Now integrate x cos nx using Bernoulli's rule of integration. So 2 by pi, x I will keep as it is, the first function x as it is, integration of cos nx is sin nx divided by n minus, again integrate sin nx by n, it gives minus cos nx, one more n I will get, that makes n square, okay, differentiation of x is 1. What is the limit? X is equal to 0 to pi. Okay. Now substitute the limit. Sin n pi value is always equal to 0. Cos n pi is minus 1 to the power of n. Sin 0 is 0. Cos 0 value is 1. So remembering all these, you can directly take the value of sin nx as 0, because upper limit x is equal to pi. If you put here sin n pi, I will get sin n pi is 0. Lower limit x is equal to 0. If you substitute here, sin 0 is 0. So both for the upper limit as well as for the lower limit, sin term vanishes. So you will be left with only the cosine term. Okay. So 2 by pi, n square is constant, can be taken outside the limits. Okay, before substituting, minus into minus plus cos nx, limit is x is equal to 0 to pi. Okay, now substitute the limits. 2 by pi n square, upper limit is x is equal to pi. If you put cos n pi, I will get lower limit x is equal to 0, that gives cos 0. Okay, so 2 by pi n square, what is the value of cos n pi? Just now I have given you, it is minus 1 to the power of n. So I will get minus 1 to the power of n. Cos 0 value, cos 0 is 1. So what is the value of an? An is 2 by pi n square minus 1 to the power of n minus 1. So we got the value of a0, we got the value of an. Both the values I will substitute into equation 1. What is equation 1? It is the Fourier series. F of x is equal to a0 by 2 summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx. So substitute for a0, we got a0 as pi, and substitute for an value just now we got 2 by pi n square minus 1 to the power of n minus 1. So that gives the Fourier series expansion of the given problem. Thank you.